Hello everybody, so today I'm on my PC and I'm going to show you how to add blur effect in your CapCut application on PC. So I'm going to go ahead and open the application and wait for it to load. Now that I have opened the CapCut application, I am going to go on to create project and I'm going to import a video from my local storage. So I've just selected a random video from my laptop downloads. To bring it to the timeline, I'm going to have to drag it from here till here. And we want to add an effect on top of it. I'm going to go on to the effect section at the top ribbon. And as you guys can see on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, we see effects, which are basically video effects. I click on it, there's a search bar in the bottom, and I can just search blur here. So I searched a blur effect. This is loading for a while, we can wait. So as you guys can see, there's a bunch of effect options that have popped up, each varying in the kind of style and intensity. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the second one, which is blur simple. What I can do is click on it for a while, drag it, so the effect can just be dragged and dropped down to the timeline. I can click on the border of this effect and I can just elongate it, or I can just drag it back and shorten it. And what would that do is I'm just going to preview the video over here. Now you can see the video being played in the preview window over here. And if I move this player right and left, you can see the part where the effect has been applied. It is blurry within the window as well. And as soon as I drag it outside of that blur section, the video is in focus again. So I can just drag it to increase the amount of blur I want, or drag it back to decrease the amount of blur as per my requirements. And that is how you add blur effect in CapCut PC. I can just simply click export at the top and my video is done. And that was the tutorial. If you liked the video, consider liking and subscribing. Goodbye.